Like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon to get notifications from Vishwavidyalay. Please contact for online tuitions through our email address, that is vishwavidyalay@gmail.com. Welcome to Vishwavidyalay online learning platform.
Good morning to everybody. In today's class, we will learn about Indian physical geography. The locational and spatial setting. The land of the ancient civilization, India is a vast country with cultural and physical diversity, lying entirely in the northern hemisphere in the continent of Asia. The name India is derived from the great river, the Sindhu or the Indus, located in the northwest part of the country. People living along this river were recognized as Indoi by the Greeks in ancient times. Later, this began to be referred as India by the Britishers. Another name, Bharat, originated after the great ruler of this land, Bharat, in the ancient times. We will explain about the location of India in between latitudes and longitudes. India lies between 8 degrees 4 minutes and 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitudes and 68 degrees 7 minutes and 97 degrees 25 minutes east longitudes. The distance between north to south is 3,214 kilometers. The distance between west to east 2,933 kilometers. The Tropic of Cancer passes through middle of the country. It divides the country into two parts, namely North India and South India. Location, size and shape. The great Indian peninsula is situated in the southern part of continent of Asia, girdled by the Himalayas on the north and washed by the waters of the Indian Ocean and its two arms, the Arabian Sea on the southwest and Bay of Bengal on the east. Geometrically, the country lies between 8 degrees 4 minutes and 37 degrees 6 minutes north latitudes and 68 degrees 7 minutes and 97 degrees 25 minutes east longitudes, forming part of northern and eastern hemispheres. India has almost 30 degrees of latitudinal extent from north to south and the same amount of longitudinal extent from east to west. The sun rises 2 hours earlier in the easternmost part of Arunachal Pradesh state than at Dwarka in Gujarat in the west. The state where the sun rises first is Arunachal Pradesh is very appropriate. Thus, the time difference is 2 hours. To avoid any confusion of time from place to place, 82 degrees 30 minutes east longitude is taken as the standard meridian of India and serves as the Indian Standard Time IST. The exact difference between Greenwich, read as Greenwich, and Indian Standard Time is 5.5 hours. The Indian land mass has an area of 3.28 million square kilometers, which is around 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. India is the 7th largest country in the world. North to south, India covers a distance of about 3,214 kilometers as against 2,933 kilometers from east to west. On the whole, India has a total land frontier of 15,200 kilometers and a coastline of about 7,516.6 kilometers, including the mainland and the islands Andaman, Nicobar and Lakshadweep Islands. The length of the coastline of the mainland is about 6,100 kilometers. The Tropic of Cancer, 23 degrees 30 minutes north latitude, divides the country into approximately 2 equal parts. With the Tropic of Cancer division, approximately half of the India's land mass lies in temperate zone, while the other half lies in the tropical region. In this map, we can see that the Tropic of Cancer, 23 degrees 30 minutes north latitude, passes through Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. 82.5 degrees east longitude passes through Yanam in Kakinada and Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, also known as standard meridian of India. The Tropic of Cancer passes through Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. However, India has always been treated as tropical country than a temperate climate for two primary reasons: with abundant sunlight and sufficient monsoon driven rainfall. The climate of India shapes the culture and lifestyle of the Indian people. For its vast extent and diversity, India behaves as a unit for which it is considered a subcontinent with all its characteristics of a continent.
Please subscribe through this YouTube link. Thank you so much.